Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over this new Runes token called Satoshi Nakamoto, ticker symbol Satoshi, and it was just announced that this token here will be getting a brand new central exchange listing April 21st, which is tomorrow, on a very big central exchange. This looks like it's a Luminex project. You can find their webpage at luminex.io/rune/Satoshi-Nakamoto. And there's been a bunch of news articles talking about this as well. I saw one on Cointelegraph.com. And yeah, it's just all over the place here. So I'm going to put Luminex's Twitter up right here. You can find a link to their webpage, luminex.io. And they are talking about, the runes info, and basically in a tweet just from 37 minutes ago, they just retweeted out about this new central exchange listing for the Satoshi token. So there's a lot of tokens out there with the name Satoshi Nakamoto. There's another one right now that's just in pre-sale on the Solana blockchain. So first of all, don't get confused with all these other Satoshi Nakamoto tokens that have existed and are coming out, so just be aware of that. But before we go over the info on this token, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. So you can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. So there's a new tweet that just came out, I think about 1 hour ago as of recording this video, but very brand new announcement here. It says, new listing, Satoshi Nakamoto. This token will be listed on Gate, or Gate.io, starting April 21st, which is tomorrow at 4 a.m. UTC time. So that's just right around the corner here, probably less than half a day away. I'm in Eastern time, so I don't know exactly what time that is as of recording this video, but very soon this token will be listed on Gates. So that's one way you'll be able to get it, is by downloading Gates from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or getting it on your PC at Gate.io, or going into the trade section after you open an account and fund your account with USDT, and then searching Satoshi and simply just getting the token. Just make sure you have the right token. Now this is a Runes token, like I mentioned. So there's a disclaimer here about these Runes tokens, because they're new here, and it says, Runes are new concepts that rely on the robustness of the Bitcoin network. It has a low participation threshold for asset distribution and a good user base. However, Runes are still at a very early stage, and there is uncertainty about the actual utility and whether the subsequent upgrade of Bitcoin Core will also support Runes. So users must understand clearly and pay attention to the risks. In particular, long-term holders need to be cautious. So just be aware of that. Then they have a link to their webpage, like I mentioned there, and yeah, so all the info is on, if you go over to Gate.io, there's an article there about the listing there. And they also have the Twitter, very popular Twitter, as you can see, lots of followers on there. And in their tweets, you're going to find links talking about this project. But basically, you go over to luminex.io/rune/Satoshi-Nakamoto, and it says circulating supply is 20,999,700 tokens, and max supply is 21 million. So basically just minus 300 for the circulating supply. So this just got deployed here. It says April 19th at 8:09 p.m. So that's how brand new this project is. It has the Rune ID number on there. So it says holders, they already have 19,126 holders. And they have total mints number on here. And they have 8 decimals on this token. They talk about total transfers, total burns. So they burned 300 tokens, and that is why the max supply is 300 more than the circulating supply. It says they burned those 300 tokens. It says number per mint 100, and then it has pre-mine top holders are on here as well. It's got like the token allocation chart there on this page. And yeah, then they have a section. Basically on here, you're just searching on Luminex Rune projects, Rune tokens. And they have, you can click on Mint Ordinals, Mint Runes, Alpha, and Explorer. So those are basically, this is basically just a kind of like a utility statistic page as opposed to an info page. So if you're actually looking for information on this project, they have here, a lot of it is in their tweets. So it says here, one of their most recent tweets, it says Bitcoin halving in 7 blocks. So this is an older tweet, obviously. It says, have your runes minting strategy ready. Make sure your wallets are on the latest version. And then it says, check out the Xverse app's guide on how to update your extension. And then it says, grab some popcorn and enjoy the ride. And then they have a link here, how to manually update your Xverse Chrome browser extension. So that might be important if you're looking to get this these Rune tokens and not off of a central exchange like Gates. You're going to have to follow steps and things like that. So it says 2 of 3, all of Runes have officially been etched on Luminex, and more is coming. So it says you can create your new Rune token, and they show like an example here. So somebody created one with the Rune ticker symbol Luminex to the moon. And yeah, so they show like how to create these Rune tokens if you're a developer, you're interested in doing that. And in their pinned tweet here, it says, introducing runes on Luminex, mint, etch, transfer, explore, mint runes with Luminex, and then it has a button to actually do it. So that's in their pinned tweet if you're looking to just mint the runes and not use Gate. That would be another way to get it. So this is kind of like when BRC20 tokens dropped, or the Atomicals, things like that. Just a very new project, early stages. Nobody really knows how things are going to go. So that's why they give the caution to people saying, if you are a early investor, just be aware that it's going to be sketchy if you're thinking about long-term holding, because who knows what's even going to happen in the next week. Now it says here on Cointelegraph.com, there's a new news article called "The Runes Protocol Will Ignite a New Season for Bitcoin After the Halving." And so that's an interesting read where they talk about this coming out after the Bitcoin halving, the historical significance of the Runes and Ordinals protocol. So, Ordinals are NFTs inscribed onto Satoshi's fractions of Bitcoin, and those were big when they first came out. People are excited about that. But yeah, you could read this news article if you want to, learn a little bit more about, what runes are and stuff like that. But go check this project out on Gates. You could find it, them talking about this new listing on Gates Twitter at gate_IO. And then they have an article about it at gate.io/article. So go check out the Satoshi Nakamoto rune. Let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.